Hello viewers, this is Ilyasoft Software Company and here I am your instructor Muhammad Ilyas of this ASP.NET MVC course. In ASP.NET MVC course we will learn how to develop web applications or websites. So the ASP.NET MVC part 1 contents. So what is ASP.NET? Means what is ASP.NET, and then what is ASP.NET MVC, and then what do you need to learn ASP.NET MVC. What is ASP.NET? So ASP.NET is a free web framework for building web applications on .NET framework using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So if you want to work in ASP.NET, you must have a basic knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript is must. The next is what is ASP.NET MVC. So ASP.NET is a website and means web development framework. So here ASP.NET MVC is also a web framework, but it based on model view controller means MVC pattern. MVC architecture, MVC pattern, it's same. But you will find in Microsoft documentations, mean in their MVC official site, means in documentation you see MVC pattern, not MVC architectures. So MVC pattern enable a clean separation of concern and fast development and TD test driven development. This this is we will discuss in a later session TDD. So ASP.NET and ASP.NET MVC. The difference between these two is the ASP.NET is not based on MVC pattern and the ASP.NET MVC is based on MVC pattern and it's provide fast development, but ASP.NET is not provide a fast development. So what do you need to learn ASP.NET MVC? Basic knowledge of .NET framework, C# and Visual Studio is required. So you must have the C# basic knowledge. Means see what is C#, how works C#, C# basic syntax, C# how to create variables in C#, how to create classes, methods, OOPS concepts and so on. So the basic knowledge of C# is must required. Without C# basic you don't learn ASP.NET MVC. So in the next video we will learn how to install Visual Studio and what is MVC pattern.